In this question, you have to identify which of the following is not a component of fallopian tube. Now, the fallopian tube consists of infundibulum, which is the funnel-shaped structure present nearer to the ovary, with the fimbriae to capture the ovum. Then the ampulla, which is the widest and longest part of the tube, where fertilization usually occurs, and isthmus, which is a narrow portion of the tube that connects it to the uterus. Thus, uterine fundus is not a part of the fallopian tube because it is the upper rounded part of the uterus which is located above the opening of the fallopian tube. Hence, the correct answer is option C.